Imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a concept, but a reality that's generating income for people and businesses. Sounds too futuristic? Well, it isn't. Welcome to the AI-driven economy. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a buzzword for several years now, but it's more than just a trendy term in the tech world. It's a tool that's shaping our economic landscape, creating opportunities for income generation that were once thought impossible. Think of AI not just as a technological advancement, but as a catalyst for economic growth. It's a tool that's enabling individuals and businesses to tap into a new realm of potential, leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning to drive revenue in ways we've never seen before. The potential of AI doesn't stop at convenience or efficiency. It stretches into the realm of financial gain. Intrigued yet? Stay with us as we delve into the world of AI and its money-making potential. You might be wondering, can individuals really make money from AI? The answer is a resounding yes. Let's venture into the world of everyday individuals who have successfully profited from AI. Take the case of Jane, a software developer from Boston. She created an AI-based app that helps users manage their personal finances. The app uses machine learning to analyze spending patterns and offers personalized saving strategies. This brilliant idea has garnered her hundreds of thousands of downloads and a healthy stream of ad revenue. Then there's the story of Jack, a data scientist based in San Francisco. Jack used his knowledge of AI to consult on various AI projects, assisting companies in their AI journey. His expertise helped businesses streamline their processes, save costs, and boost profitability. In return, Jack was handsomely compensated for his valuable insights and strategies. Let's not forget about Lisa, a stay-at-home mom in Seattle. She capitalized on her passion for technology and started a blog about AI. She regularly posts articles explaining AI concepts in layman's terms, reviews of AI-based products, and updates on the latest AI trends. Her blog has a substantial following and earns revenue through sponsored posts and affiliate marketing. And who could ignore the achievement of Mark, a student in New York? He developed an AI-based game that uses machine learning to adapt to each player's style, making every game unique. The game quickly gained popularity and became a hit on various app stores, earning Mark a tidy sum. These are just a few examples of how individuals from different walks of life have leveraged AI to make money. They tapped into their skills, creativity, and passion for technology to create value and generate income. Some created products, some offered services, and others shared knowledge. As you can see, AI is not just for tech giants. Anyone with a passion for technology and a bit of creativity can turn AI into a money-making venture. Now let's turn our attention to companies. How are they profiting from AI? From startups to Fortune 500 companies, artificial intelligence is being harnessed to drive profits and growth. These organizations are leveraging AI to streamline operations, enhance customer experience, and make more informed business decisions. Consider recommendation algorithms, a staple of many online retailers and streaming services. By analyzing customer data, these systems can suggest products or content tailored to individual tastes. This personalization not only improves the user experience but also boosts sales, as customers are more likely to purchase items that align with their preferences. Take the case of a leading online retailer. They've seen an uptick in sales after implementing an AI-driven recommendation system. Customers are now exposed to a wider variety of products they might not have otherwise discovered, leading to increased purchases and customer satisfaction. Then there's the realm of customer service. Many companies are using AI to automate responses to common customer inquiries, reducing the need for human intervention. This automation frees up time for customer service representatives to handle more complex issues, leading to increased efficiency and customer satisfaction. For instance, a major telecommunications company introduced an AI-powered chatbot and saw their customer resolution time cut in half. Predictive analytics is another area where AI is making a significant impact. By analyzing historical data, AI can predict future trends and outcomes, helping businesses to plan effectively. A multinational corporation used AI to forecast market demand and optimize their supply chain, resulting in fewer stockouts and overstocks. This predictive capability saved them millions of dollars annually. These examples merely scratch the surface of how AI is revolutionizing the business world. From enhancing user experience to optimizing operations, AI is proving to be a powerful tool for businesses across the globe. In the race towards innovation, those who leverage AI effectively are the ones who will lead the pack. After all, in today's digital age, staying ahead means staying informed, adaptable, and ready to embrace the power of AI. These companies are proof that AI can be a powerful tool for business growth and profitability. The stories we've shared are just the tip of the iceberg. The AI economy is expanding rapidly, and it's creating a wealth of opportunities. Let's dive a bit deeper into the AI economy, shall we? The term AI economy might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's not just real, it's booming. In fact, experts predict that by the year 2030, the global AI market could be worth over $15 trillion. Yes, you heard that right, 15 trillion, that's a lot of zeros. But what does this mean for you and me? Well, for starters, it means job creation. As AI technology advances, new roles are emerging in data science, machine learning, robotics, and many other fields. These aren't just jobs for the tech elite either. There are opportunities for everyone, from entry-level positions to highly specialized roles. So if you're thinking about a career change, the AI economy might be worth considering. Now let's talk about investment opportunities. As the AI market expands, so does the potential for profit. Investors are pouring money into AI startups, betting that these companies will be the next big thing. And it's not just venture capitalists who are getting in on the action. Everyday people are investing in AI too, through stocks, mutual funds, and even crowdfunding platforms. And this is just the beginning. The potential for future growth in the AI economy is staggering. As AI technology becomes more sophisticated, it will continue to revolutionize industries, from healthcare to finance to entertainment. The possibilities are, quite literally, endless. So, where does this leave us? Well, it's clear that the AI economy is not just a trend, it's the future. And it's not a distant, far-off future either. It's happening right now, in real time, all around us. The AI economy is not a distant dream. It's here, and it's changing the way we live and work. So, what have we learned about AI and its potential to generate income? Well, we've seen that artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword or science fiction trope. It's a powerful tool that's already transforming how we live, work, and do business. It's a catalyst for income generation and economic growth, and its potential is only just beginning to be tapped. We took a look at real-life case studies of individuals who've harnessed the power of AI to create new income streams. They've developed AI-powered apps, started AI consulting businesses, and even sold their unique AI algorithms. Their stories show us that with creativity, technical skill, and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit, the opportunities for making money with AI are virtually limitless. We also explored how companies, from startups to multinational corporations, are leveraging AI to drive profits. They're using AI to automate processes, optimize operations, and create innovative products and services that consumers love. These companies are not just increasing their bottom line, they're also contributing to the growth of the AI economy. Speaking of the AI economy, we learned that it's not just an abstract concept, it's a tangible, rapidly growing sector of our global economy. It's projected that by the end of this decade, the AI economy could be worth trillions of dollars. That's a whole lot of income potential to be had. But remember, the potential of AI isn't just about monetary gain, it's about creating value, solving problems, and making a positive impact on society. It's about using technology to improve lives and shape a better future. The future of AI is bright, and for those willing to embrace it, the potential for income generation is vast. Remember, the future is not something we enter, it's something we create. So are you ready to create your future with AI?